So here we are on the outside of the Casa Bianca, cafe, restaurant and bar. So we're just going to do a video walkthrough. It's a beautiful building. It used to be an old pub, but it's been really done out well. So, okay, if you'd like to take me on a tour.
Welcome to Casa Bianca in Abergavenny. Come on in. Here we have the downstairs part of the restaurant. This is the entrance.
Okay. So this is where the customers come then to be greeted, and
here you come in and you get ready to enjoy your amazing dining experience.
Excellent.
Okay, so we've got some tables here. You can see the street, you know, nice sofa windows and things like that.
Nice. It's lovely seated here, isn't it?
And then we have another part of the dining area here. Then we've got, here's a little cocktail area. You can come just for a drink, coffee, just to relax, or if you're waiting for your table you can wait here. Okay, and now I'll take you upstairs. So here we have the main room upstairs. You can do big parties, functions, have it as a private room, anything you like.
Oh, it's quite extensive, isn't it?
But book always for weekends at least 1 month in advance.
Wow.
As it's very, very popular at the moment. Weekdays 2 weeks in advance. For example, tonight is going to be full tonight.
Right.
So if I take you.
What, even on a Tuesday?
Yes, even on every day, Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, Fridays, Saturdays. He's very, very busy, very popular. So we're doing our best to accommodate to everyone, but we can't fit everyone in, if you know what I mean. So always book in advance to avoid any disappointment. So here's one of our private rooms. You can hire this out. You can hire out for an event. You can hire this private room out for an event. If you've got a small party or a special occasion, or you can just request a table, it's up to you. If it's hired out for an event, you get your own waiter and it's your own room, and the chef can make you his own menu, your own menu, if you know what I mean, if you want something very special. So we do plenty of events. We can also do weddings and things here, so, but again, well in advance.
Well in advance, yeah.
And that's it. We hope to see you all at Casa Bianca very soon.